Hello, this video is for you if you'd like to know how to speak on the phone in business situation. The first word that you should say is hello, okay? When you answer the phone, you can say hello, Google company, and say the name of the company. Google company, Mrs. Ahmadi, okay? For example, Mrs. Masaili, and you can say your name. How can I help you? How can I help you? I'm at your service, okay? You can start with this word, okay? With these expressions when you answer the phone. Okay, or maybe when you call and you can say, hello, could I speak to Dr. Salehi? Or hello, can I speak to Dr. Salehi? And you can say the name of the person that you want to talk to. And also you can say, can I speak to the person in charge of sales? Can I speak to the person in charge of sales? Okay, in charge of something, it means responsible for something. I'd like to make an appointment with Mr. Karimi or with Dr. Karimi. You can say, I'd like to make an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment. Okay, say make an appointment, arrange a meeting, okay? I want to speak to Dr. Ahmadi if possible, okay? Also, you can say if possible at the end. Could you connect to the Dr. Ahmadi? Okay, so you can say, could you connect, or could you put me through? Could you put me through Dr. Ahmadi? Hold the line, okay? You can say, hold the line. Okay, just a moment, please. Hold the line. Okay, on the phone we say, hold the line. Please, I'll see if he's available or not. I'll see he is there or not, okay? He is or he is available or not. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Mr. Omid Muzaffari wants to talk to you. Say, excuse me, sir, Mr. Omid Muzaffari wants to talk to you. Okay, put him through. Just a moment. I'm putting you through. It means that I'm connecting you. I'm putting you through. I'm afraid. You can say I'm sorry or I'm afraid. He's in a meeting right now. He's in a meeting right now. Can I take your message? Okay, say, can I take your message? Could you tell him that Omid Muzaffari called? Could you tell him that Omid Muzaffari called? Okay, you can say this sentence too. Or also you can say, could you ask him to call me back? Could you ask him to call me back? Okay, I'll give him your message. Okay, I'll give him your message. What's Dr. Ahmadi's extension number? Hello, who's that? Okay, maybe Dr. Ahmadi says, hello, who's that? Who's calling? You can maybe that person or the manager or maybe Dr. Ahmadi, okay, says, who's calling? Who's calling? This is Omid Muzaffari, okay? We don't say, I am Bahra Masuli, I am Omid Muzaffari, and something like this. We say, this is that Dr. Ahmadi? Is that Dr. Ahmadi? You want to be sure about that person. Say, is that Dr. Ahmadi? Yes, it's me. We say, yes, it's me, not yes, I am. We don't say on the phone. We say, yes, it's me. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm calling about our meeting on April 1st. I'm calling about our meeting on April 1st. So you can say, I'm calling about, and then say the subject or topic that you want to talk about. And also you can say, I'm calling in reference to our meeting on April 1st. Our meeting on April 1st. Or, I want to speak to you about your offer. I want to speak to you about your offer. And also you can say this, okay? And that person may say, thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. Can we meet each other? Can we meet each other? When? Okay, if yes, when? When shall see each other? When shall see each other? Or when should we meet each other? You can say this, but there is no difference between them. Or also you can say, shall we meet each other tomorrow? Shall we meet each other tomorrow? Or can we meet each other tomorrow? Can we meet each other tomorrow? Is Monday okay with you? Say okay with someone. Is Monday okay with you? Would Monday be convenient for you? Would Monday be convenient means suitable. Be convenient for you? Yes, Monday is fine with me. Say Monday is fine with me, okay? Don't say Monday fine on me or in me, okay? Say with me. Would Monday be perfect? Would Monday be perfect? Monday suits me. Monday suits me. Okay, it means that it is suitable for me. I can come on Monday. And also, if Monday is not possible for you to go or to come or arrange a meeting, you can say, I'm sorry, or I'm afraid. I can't make it on Monday. I can't make it on Monday. You can say, I can't come on Monday. I can't come on Monday. Or also, if you are busy, you can say, I'm busy on Monday. I'm busy on Monday. No problem. Okay, maybe that person says, no problem. We can fix another time. We can fix another time. Can we meet on Tuesday instead? Can we meet on Tuesday instead? Can you make it on Tuesday? Can you make it on Tuesday? Okay, say, can we meet each other, okay, or can we meet on Tuesday instead, or can you make it on Tuesday, okay, you can say these expressions too. And also about a place, you can say, where shall we meet each other? Where shall we meet each other? At what time? Then say the time, at what time? And then, for example, you can say at 1 p.m., at 9 a.m., okay? You can say this. And if it is okay, that person says, it's okay or it's good. I'll look forward to seeing you. I'll look forward, okay? I look forward to seeing you. Okay, it means I am eager to see you. I look forward to seeing you, okay? It means that I'm really enthusiastic to see you, okay? Okay, dear friends, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, you can share with your friends, and also you can subscribe to its YouTube channel in order to learn more English. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye!